sa asofo no de o mo nkan mo. But me am here. Do I know the difference between members of the Christian Council and Osofo Awonkanwana, who has come out to condemn such a? And you see, we are treading on a dangerous, he said. Look at what is happening in America.
Yeah.
Donald Trump, where's Oyusu? Racist comments of Mickey. Look at what happened this weekend.
Yeah.
We are sitting there allowing this guy to use religion, to disgrace women in this country, and nobody has come out to condemn this guy. He's a fool.
No.
Why you Jimmy for papa? Now, Emmanuel, minim, what is wrong with you? Mutumi sorry kwatena kwa Jimmy for here sorry them. He's a fool. Now, why you please stop right there.
See, honorable.
Please stop right there. The same language you use here, we use the same language for him. Now, on try me. You can't stop me. Why you rough? I'm matching my akona sorry. We'll destroy everything. We cannot allow this thing to go on in this country unconcerned. I'm not here to do politics. This is social impact. Do you know the damage she has done to these 3 tribes? And nobody says anything. Also, why politics? Let me tell you today, Kobi, Mahama is not in power. We are drill. Kobi no pa on try. Was who a bema on can question maker. Now we well a man and a bono. Because we cannot allow this thing to go on in this country. Sama and America for hope. Racist comment by the president. Look at what is happening. Now also everybody has kept quiet. Also I'm wasting time. Moko tina sorry them. And yet I'm preferring Ghana for ma. Again, use it.